Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be comparing the Coach Tabby 20 size to the Coach 26 size and see which one is better, which one I like more, and which one's more worth your money. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a comparison type video. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, you guys, hello. I wanted to do this comparison video because, as you know, I recently just got the Coach Tabby in the 20 size. This is the Quilted Tabby. And then I have my regular Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 26 size that I've had for like a year, maybe even longer than that. And in this video, I thought we could compare the two just to kind of go over the differences. So if you have been kind of between the sizes, if you don't know which one you like more, if you're kind of like, oh, I don't know, maybe this video will help you choose the size that's best for you. So we can just get started. Let's start with the Tabby 26 size. This was my first Coach bag. This is what the 26 looks like. Here's what the front looks like. And then the back is on the 26 size. You have this top handle slash shoulder strap, so you can wear it on your shoulder, no problem. This one does come with a crossbody strap as well. We love the crossbody strap. And then on the inside, here is what it looks like. You've got one pocket back here, one middle pocket, and then one pocket in the front. And then going over the dimensions, let me look up the dimensions really quick. The measurements are 10.25 inches in length. It is 5.5 inches in height and 3.25 inches in width. And this is Napa leather. The entire thing is Napa leather, and I think on the inside it also has a Napa leather lining as well. The detachable strap here has a 7.3 inches drop, and then the detachable crossbody strap is a 21 1/4 inch drop at its max. And then on this one as well, you do have the detachable shoulder strap, so this entire thing can come off. So if you wanted to use this as like a clutch or something, you could do that. And then of course on the Pillow Tabbies, it does have this cool little dog tag that's very puffy. And yeah, that's pretty much the overview of the 26 size. This bag here does retail for $550 for the Pillow Tabby and in the 26 size. And also it's the same price for this one in the 26 size, the Quilted Tabby. So if you like the look of this one better than the Pillow Tabby, the 26 size, the biggest size, is still $550 in the Quilted as well. I would totally recommend getting this on sale. I got mine at Zappos for the same price as the 18 size, so like $300 and something. You can get it on like Amazon, Nordstrom, Saks, I think, but I totally would not pay full price for the 26 size when you could easily find a sale somewhere. Like, they're always on sale, especially during like the Nordstrom anniversary sales in July. I know that Amazon does like their Prime Day sales. I don't know if these are included, but they could be. Zappos has sales all the time, so I would totally look there first. But yeah, retail is $550. Going over to the 20 size, here is what she looks like. Isn't she just the cutest little thing? Oh my gosh, she's adorable. And then here is the back. Here's the front, and the back has this pocket back here. It's kind of like a back pocket. And then the biggest difference you'll be able to tell between the Quilted Tabby, like the 20 size, and the Pillow Tabby is going to be the braided chain strap situation. So this is kind of giving like Chanel classic flap vibes. If you can see, it has the 4 grommets on the top, and then the chain is going through the same way as the classic flap. So you can have it as like a double like this. You can wear it on your shoulder, and you can put one of these down and wear it crossbody or as like a long shoulder bag like this. And then on the inside, here is what it looks like when you open it. So on the very front, it has this little pocket, which is a tiny little flap. It's really giving like classic flap vibes. It's so cute. But it's got this tiny little flap pocket, just like that. that you could put a phone in. We did find out that when I was doing my unboxing, my iPhone 15 Pro Max barely fits with a case, but without a case, it fits just fine. So if you're someone that doesn't like to wear a case on your phone, it will probably fit in this little pouch. But with a case, different story. And then here is this pocket right here. And then there's no zip pocket in the middle or anything, just a divider. And then there's the pocket in the front, just like that. I don't know why Coach is so adamant about putting these stupid dividers, because like this bag would be able to fit so much more. Same with this bag. It could fit so much more if it didn't have that stupid divider in there. Like, I don't know why they just keep doing it. I feel like nobody likes that divider. Anyways, that's the overview of this bag. Let me go over the dimensions of this one. So this one on Coach's website is $395. So definitely a bit more inexpensive than the 26 size, but only by, well, I say only, but it's $150, which is definitely a big difference. So for this, the 20 size, the length is 7.75 inches. The height is 4.25 inches. And then the width is 2.75 inches wide. This also is Napa leather. It's just like a different type. Like this one is like a quilted effect, whereas this one is like the puffy one, and this one's like a smooth Napa. This one is a little bit quilted, so, but it's the same material. Very good, full leather handbag. For the chain strap, it doesn't say what the strap drop is for it doubled up like this. It doesn't say, but that looks to be probably around 10 inches or so. But then when you put it down like this, the maximum strap drop is 21.5 inches. So it's very long. So, and then let's kind of put these together so you can see the difference here. This is, Coach came out with a 20 size to be kind of like a teen size. So you have the big boy, which is the 26. You have the really small one, that's the 18 size. So the 18 would probably be like cut that off, cut this much off. And then you have the 18, and it's kind of like a little square. And they kind of came out with the 20 size to be an in between. Also, this one right here has the dog tag as well, but it just is not puffy. It's still really cute though. So yeah, let's look at them side by side. So here is what they look like side by side. If you can tell, the 26 size is definitely on the bigger side. And then here is this one. Let's see what they look like if I put the 20 size in the front. That's the size difference right there. So a few extra inches size difference. And then doing them from the side like this, you can see the difference in width. And then here's the difference from the back. So now let's go over like the big differences between these two bags. So of course the big difference on the, well, the number one difference is the size. It's definitely the size difference, but we'll save that for the end. I want to go over like just the very striking differences that you can tell on the bag. So the first one is that on the tabby, the pillow tabby on the 26 size, you do have the detachable straps. If that's something that you like, if you like to be able to take off the shoulder strap and then just put on the crossbody strap, then this one would be for you. If you like the idea of being able to take this off and wear this one as just a big clutch, that'd be good for you. This one right here can, of course, do shoulder carry and crossbody carry, but the strap does not come off. So, and there's no difference between the shoulder strap and the crossbody strap. So there's no D-rings on this bag at all. If you wanted to go crossbody, you just put that other strap down. If you want to do a shoulder bag or like a shoulder carry, you just bring it up and have it double. I will say on this one, the 20 size on the Quilted Tabby, the strap is very long. Having it doubled up like this, I feel like it's super long. Like, look at that. I mean, if you're wearing a really big, bulky sweater or something, you're not gonna have any issues getting this on your shoulder. But if you're wearing something thinner, like a t-shirt or just like a light sweater, it's gonna be really long on your side. It's gonna be like down to like my mid-waist, like my mid-side right here. Not my waist, but like my side. It's just a very long strap. And then with the crossbody, I showed the shoulder strap and the crossbody version on my unboxing. So I will link that down below if you haven't seen it. If you want to see what it looks like crossbody, then I'll link that video. But the strap is so long crossbody. It's insane. And I'm 5'5" for reference, 165 centimeters. So if you're even shorter than me, if you're a bit taller, maybe it wouldn't be an issue, but if you're even shorter, then you might have a problem just with it being too long. Another difference between these two bags are the fact that this one has a back pocket, and then on this one it does have that little interior pocket that's kind of like a hidden pocket. This one does not have either of those. It does not have the back pocket, and it does not have the little interior kind of hidden flap pocket. But now let's go over what fits in both of these. I will say, obviously, this bag fits so much stuff. Like, you can fit your entire life in this bag, everything in the kitchen sink, as many over a Minx for all would say. I really think that if you are somebody that needs to carry a lot of stuff, if you go to the office, this would be a great work bag as well. It's very chic, but it also fits a ton, so I feel like that would be a great option. So if you're somebody that needs to fit a lot of stuff, of course I would go with this. You can fit a water bottle in this bag. If you need to carry around a camera, like if you also film videos and if you're doing vlogs or whatever, you can fit your camera in here. Not a big DSLR camera, but like a smaller vlog camera you can totally fit in here. You can fit a full-on sunglasses case. I'd probably do like a thin sunglasses case and not do like a big boxy one, but you could still fit a sunglasses case in here. You could fit a ton of bigger items in this bag and it just be totally fine, just because this is like a Mary Poppins bag. It fits a lot of stuff. So again, if you carry a lot of stuff in your day-to-day, I would totally go with this one. This one, of course, is going to be for somebody that does not carry as much, but this one did still carry all of my essentials. When I did the unboxing video, again, I'll link it down below, I did show what fits in this bag and it still fit all of my essentials. Everything that I carry in my normal everyday bag will still fit in this. And my normal everyday bag is my Celine Ava Triumph bag. I'll put a picture of it right here in case you don't know what it looks like. But that bag is like twice as big as this. Maybe not twice as big, but it's definitely bigger than this bag. And everything that I fit in my Celine Ava Triumph can fit in this. It's just insane. So this bag still does fit a decent amount of stuff. This one is going to be a little more structured as well. And also, again, if you're somebody that likes to put your phone in your bag, as long as there's no case, maybe if you had an older iPhone, you might be able to get it in this pocket with a case, but a newer iPhone, like a 15 Pro Max, it's very difficult to get in here with a case. But if you had like an iPhone 15, not the big one, not the Pro Max, you could probably fit it in here, no problem. But the 15 Pro Max does fit in the little pocket without a case. But yeah, I haven't had any issues getting my essentials in here. It can fit my wallet, it can fit my AirPods, it can fit my hand spray, like my sanitizer, it can fit a mirror, it can fit my headache medication, everything that I really take with me on a daily basis. This could also fit a mini pochette accessoire if you do need to carry that with you. If you're someone that likes to carry the little catch-alls all the time, just know that if you do put it in here, it's gonna take up a lot of the space in the bag. This one I feel like is more for like a night out situation as well. You can definitely wear this every day. Both of these can be really good everyday bags, but this one does definitely give me more formal vibes. This one I would not take to any kind of like formal event or for a night out. This would only be for a work bag or for like an everyday situation. This one I think can definitely be an everyday bag or a more nighttime, night out, formal event situation as well, because of the color. It's kind of got this pearly, pearlescent effect. It's got gold hardware. It's not too small. It's not like TBE, tiny bag energy, but it is small enough, in my opinion, to really go well with more formal attire. And I think it would look great for a night out as well. But on the other hand, I don't think this would make for a great work bag unless you just don't carry a lot to work. I do think that they definitely serve different purposes, and I think that they serve great purposes. So it really just depends on which one is more worth your time, which one you like the most. But yeah, you guys, that's my comparison between the Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 26 size to the Coach Quilted Tabby bag in the 20 size. Let me know in the comments which of these bags is your favorite. Let me know which size is your favorite. If you like the 26 size more, or if you like the smaller 20 size, just let me know in the comments. Leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, Thank you for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!